How to add a game pass to your Roblox game. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to add a game pass to your Roblox game, the steps are quite simple. So make sure to listen and follow the steps likewise. First of all, you will have to access the Roblox Creator dashboard. For this, open any of your browser and open roblox.com. And once you do it, tap on create.roblox.com. Once you do it, you will land to the page. Now from the dashboard, go to My Creations. From there, find the game that you want to add a game pass to and click on the game's image to access its overview page. On that page, you must see the details option on the left side of the screen. Tap on it and there should be an option called as Associated Items. Select the Passes tab from there and then click on Create a Pass. Once you click on Create a Pass, it will ask you to upload an image for the game pass. This image will represent the pass in your game. Enter a name and description of the game pass and click on Create Pass. Once you have created it, you can edit it as well. Also, you can go to the Sales tab to set a price for the game pass. You can also choose to advertise a pass through an external link if available. Once you have made all the changes, make sure to save it and you're good to go. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.